Welcome to this short screencast on how to use the MW Snap 3 program. The MW Snap 3 program is designed to take partial pictures of your screen for repurposing, such as sending in an email, printing, etc. And what we're going to use it for at TVH is to actually take parts of pictures of the Info Center program, so we can actually take a picture of the part we're looking at and exclude all the other details that the customer doesn't need to see. So to launch the program, we simply double click on the MW Snap 3 program. Now this does a couple of things. First of all, the main window opens, but it also shows itself as a little icon down in the bottom right hand corner of our screen in the system tray. The most flexible way to work with the MW Snap 3 program is simply by selecting the Any Rect Area button, and what that allows us to do is actually take a arbitrarily sized picture of our desktop so that we can then cut that out basically. So we'll do that, then we'll also bring up a screen that we'd like to take a picture of, or part of a picture of. We then simply select the Snap Any Area button, and this puts us in the screen capture mode. So what we do is we hold down the left mouse button with our finger and drag the window out to capture part of the page. So once we're happy with that, we let go of the left hand mouse button. We then select the left hand mouse button again, and that actually then takes the image of that part of the screen that we've selected. From here we can do quite a few things. We can save the image we've just selected to a folder of our choosing, so we can call it Iron Man. I'd recommend that you save your files in type JPEG, as they are one of the most efficient picture protocols available. I would strongly recommend against saving it as a bitmap, because you create extremely large images. So select JPEG files because they're fairly efficient, then click the Save button. You can also use the Edit button to just copy what you've selected, and that will then allow you to post it or paste it into a document or like an email. So we'll select a new rich text document, right click, paste, and we can see that we can easily copy that picture into any document that we wish, or even directly into our email program for sending off to a customer. And bring back the main window again. If you go to the Tools menu, you'll also see Settings. This gives us quite a few things to look at. One of the things you can actually select is Start Minimize, so when you select that and click Apply, when you start the program it'll actually just show itself up in the system tray, and you actually have to click that camera icon for the main window to appear. You also have the option of auto-saving your pictures to a file, and by using an arbitrary number scheme. The problem with that is that you could actually get a bit lost with actually which image you're working on, but it is available if you wish. Again, if you are using this feature, I'd strongly suggest using the JPEG picture format, as it again is very efficient. And that's the simplest features that we use this program for, or we will use this program for, going forward for TVH, and it will be a great time-saving device for our people, as they won't have to wait for the print jobs to come through. So basically with the TVH Info Center program, you can simply bring up the part that you wish, start the MW Snap program, remember, use the Snap Any Area button, then take the snap of the part that you wish, and then you can do what you want. You can also print the document or the image that you've captured as well. So it's a very flexible product for us here.